A rare thing happened today. Donald Trump faced accountability in a court of law. Last March, you see, Trump and his lawyers filed this, truly ludicrous lawsuit against Hillary Clinton, James Comey, a slew of other names made famous in the MAGA-verse after the 2016 election. There was some coverage of it at the time. The suit claimed that Clinton, Comey, and others had orchestrated a, quote, malicious conspiracy that the Trump campaign colluded with Russia. A U.S. district court judge dismissed that lawsuit back in September, writing that Trump was, quote, seeking to flaunt a 200-page political manifesto outlining his grievances against those that have opposed him, and this court is not the appropriate forum. The judge went on to slam the ridiculous legal theories and, quote, glaring structural deficiencies of Trump's argument. In other words, it had no business in court whatsoever. The next day, the very next day, Trump lawyer Alina Habba decided to take the case to the MAGA court of last resort, Sean Hannity.
When you have a Clinton judge, as we did here, Judge Middlebrooks, who I had asked to recuse himself, but insisted that he didn't need to, he was going to be impartial, and then he proceeds to write a 65-page scathing order where he basically ignored every factual basis, which was backed up by indictments, by investigations, the Mueller report, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, not to mention Durham, and all the testimony we heard there, we get dismissed. Not only do we get dismissed, he says that this is not the proper place for recourse for Donald Trump. He has no legal ramifications. Well, what is the proper place for him?
Now, that interview did not win Team Trump any points with the judge. Yesterday, he sanctioned Trump and his attorneys, ordering them to pay nearly $1 million in court costs to the defendants. Listen to this. The opening line of the judgment reads, quote, "This case should never have been brought." That's a relative high point for the ex-president. Trump often hides behind the vice of his lawyers, but the judge found he is, quote, the mastermind of strategic abuse of the judicial process, ruling that Trump and Habba are jointly liable for just shy of $1 million. Then, after that, the rarest of rare things, right? The most remarkable thing happened, even rarer than Trump being held to account. The ruling actually deterred him from doing the same thing again. Today, Donald Trump dropped a different frivolous lawsuit. This one against New York Attorney General Letitia James, who is currently litigating a $250 million suit against Trump and his businesses for alleged fraudulent business practices. Look at that! It turns out if people are held accountable and punished for wrongdoing, you might prevent them from such wrongdoing in the future. This, of course, is, or at least should be, the logic of the justice system, particularly for powerful people, and is currently being applied to the nearly 1,000 defendants involved in storming the Capitol and plotting the coup. But it is not, as of yet, being applied to the man at the top, the ringleader of it all. That's next.